yung love na gano'n?
Oo, I will take the
Akala mo
risk
pa.
again. Yeah.
Yan. Ako pag may gano'n...
Kasi ako, I believe, if it's about love, it's worth it.
It is, yeah, it
Yeah.
is. But you don't have any fears or traumas?
Hindi naman trauma. I fear, of course, pero I'm still willing to take the risk. I still want to experience the same happiness I had when I was so in love.
Kahit maiyak ka ulit?
Yeah. Kaysa naman yung umiiyak ka ngayon dahil hindi ka in love, mas maganda yung umiiyak ka kasi na in love ka.
Tama! So, I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. Wala rin ibig sabihin eh.
Oo. Mas maganda na yung kaya ka naiyak kasi nasaktan ka sa pagmamahal kasi naiyak ka dahil nasaktan ka sa pag-iisip.
Pero nakaka-recover ka agad after a relationship. Hindi, ako, chance ko na to. Ngayon lang ako gumaguest dito eh. Nakaka-recover ka agad? O depende?
Nakaka-recover pero I don't easily forget. I choose not to forget. I want to bring them with me all the time and wherever I go. I want to bring the memories. Oh.
Yeah, because why will you forget?
Yeah, I don't want to
You are
forget.
the person you are now because of what you
Yeah,
went
I
through
don't
with
want
them.
to forget.
We think the same.
At saka pag naaalala ko, napapasaya pa din ako kahit alaala
May
na
moments na
lang.
ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero na-in love ka na ng sobra.
Sobra.